Ways to do before, during, after earthquake. What to do before earthquake? First, you need to have a first aid kit, radio, flashlight, batteries, and food supplies. Make sure to know your place and plan if where your family will meet after earthquake. Be careful what you put in your shelves. Try to avoid placing heavy objects because they will fall during earthquake, and it really hurts. What to do during earthquake? Practice a duck, cover, and hold. It is really important to protect your head from falling objects because it really hurts when you get hit.
As you can see, the students perform the duck, cover, and hold procedure.
Stay calm. It is important to stay calm and think of what will you do and make right decisions during earthquake. If you are indoors, go find a sturdy furniture and go near the wall and stand against it. But avoid standing near windows. It really hurts when you get wounded. If you are outdoors, go in an open area and try to avoid poles because there could be open wires that could zap you. Stay away from buildings. You will never know that a random shrapnel will land on your face. Do not use matches or lighter because there is a possibility that there would be leak gas and will go boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend the night together from now until forever. Don't use elevator. You're gonna be stuck there forever. Unless me and my crush is stuck in the elevator. Now! All I wanna be, all I ever wanna be, is somebody's. What to do after earthquake? Check yourself and others for wounds. Provide first aid for the people who need it. Be careful of live wires because that will cook you up in just seconds. Check for water leaks and propane tanks. Try to close the valves. If not, try to report to the authorities. Turn on the radio and listen to the news, and follow the instructions of the broadcast. Be careful of sharp objects in your surroundings because it really hurts. Stay away from the beaches. Tsunamis will sometimes occur after earthquake. If you are at school, follow the instructions of the teacher who is in charge. It is important to note these actions to make ourselves a lot more safe, to make us help one another, and make us physically, mentally, and spiritually strong.